What'd you think, Babs? Hi, Gabs. Hi, Bunchasaurus. What do you think of your new sister? Hi, Gabs. Where are you going? Gabby. Gabby, come here. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. That's your potty area? That's your potty area? You can go potty? You can go potty? You can go potty now? Huh, Gabs? Gabby. Gabby. Hey, Gabby. Gabby. Gabby, hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Let's see that cute face. Let's see that cute face. Huh, Gabby? Gabby. Hi. Hi. Can you sit? Good girl. Can you shake? Can you shake? Good girl. Good girl, honey. You like your sister, Bunchasaurus? What do you think of your new home, Gabby? What do you think, baby girl? What do you think, pretty girl? Aww.